If you're planning a move in Mountain Brook, Alabama, whether you're relocating across town or into the city, you'll want a moving team that understands local access, timing, and the community. Today we'll walk through cost ranges, move day essentials, and how to choose the right mover in Mountain Brook. In Mountain Brook and the greater Birmingham area, local moves for smaller homes or apartments often start around several $100s and can climb depending on complexity. For example, long-distance moves from Mountain Brook show cost ranges from approximately $1,800 to $4,800 for a 2- or 3-bedroom home depending on destination and volume. Here are some key cost drivers. If your home includes multiple flights of stairs or no elevator, labor time increases. Limited or distant truck parking, especially in Mountain Brook's hilly terrain, adds to loading time. The more items you're moving, especially bulky furniture, the more manpower and time required. Beyond the basics, check if the mover includes full-service packing and materials, boxes, bubble wrap, etc. Disassembly and reassembly of large furniture items, scheduling on weekends or during peak season, e.g. summer months, which typically comes at a higher rate. To make your move efficient and keep costs in check, label each box by destination room so movers place items correctly. Sort out and remove anything you won't move. Less volume equals lower cost. Confirm truck parking or a loading zone, especially in neighborhoods with limited access, to avoid delays or extra fees. Thanks for watching. If you're planning a move in Mountain Brook, Alabama, keep these factors in mind. Know your cost drivers, get ready ahead, and choose the mover you trust. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more moving tips, and press the notification bell for future guides.